Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to auto sell on Trojan Bot. To do that, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. In case you guys haven't started using Trojan Bot, I'll provide a link in description for this bot below this video. You guys can go and access it from there. Once we hit the start button, you will see these options popping up right here, and above is your current balance. Make sure you deposit some Solana and hit in order to access these features. Once we click on the sell option, it will show you your current asset. For example, here I have Hemi. I'll click on my coin that I want to sell, and once you do that, you will see these selling options popping up. We're going to sell Hemi. It will show you your current balance and other information such as the current price and the market cap of the coin. And coming back to set up the limit order, click on this limit option right here. Once you click on this limit option, you will see these options popping up right here. Select the amount of asset that you want to sell. For example, here 100%. You can also type in a specific amount using this X percentage option. Similarly, for slippage, you can type a specific amount for that. Now you can set up a limit order for a price, for a schedule, or for an event. In price, simply it will be executed to a specific price. In schedule, you can select a specific date for your limit order. Here we're going to select price. In order to change the trigger price, simply click on this option right here, and once you click on it, you will see this message popping up right here. Here you can type in the trigger price also in percentage. For example, if you type in 2 to 3%, it will trigger the limit order when the price goes above 2 to 3% of the current price. You can also select the expiry date of your limit order. Once you are set up, simply go and click on this create order option. Once you click on it, your limit order would be created. Here my limit order is now activated. In order to check the current status of my limit order, I can go back to these options. Here select limit orders. Once you click on it, it will show you your current limit order. And well, that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.